Right, listen up, people. This is David Resin Glitter, and I hope you're all doing well. This is the channel where resin meets ridiculousness, chaos, and creativity, where we all learn that resin, micas, molds, and everything else resin-related you can think of. And I, David, become the unlikely voice of all things resin. Now let's be real for a minute. Am I the real artist or the resin master? Nope. I'm just the voice behind these videos, and because I thought it'd be different to do a voiceover as if it was me doing them. The honour goes to my good mate, Andy, from Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. So, if you're liking the videos and you're learning something, make sure you subscribe to him, because he's the real talent behind the videos. But I do have a voice that's smoother than his, and let's face it, my charm levels are off the charts, so naturally, I convinced him to let me do the voiceovers for these videos and see if it gets more subscribers. So what can you as a viewer expect on this channel? Amazing resin pours, sometimes beautiful, sometimes disastrous. Either way, we're gonna go through this journey together. Hilarious voiceovers by me, because what's art without a little bit of sarcasm? Boring, can you tell I'm doing a video? And off. Experiments are gonna happen, fails and wins, because resin wants to do what resin wants to do, and do you know what? That's part of the fun and the learning journey. We're just along for the ride, and resin will do what it wants. And of course, a little bit of friendly competition, because let's be honest, we all secretly want to be as big as the resin legends. Daniel Cooper, Judy from Pouring Your Heart Out, Blair from Blair's Crafty Corner, and Wendy from Team Pishcraft, Steve from Steve McDonald's Resin, and there are so many more, but watch out, legends. David's coming for you. Well, I best not get too excited, but let's grow this channel together. So if you like resin, if you like laughs, and a man trying his best to pretend to know what he's doing, hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to check out the real mastermind behind these projects, which is Andy over at Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. Let's get messy, let's make some art, and most importantly, let's have fun. Now let's pour some resin, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Custom Carving and Epoxy UK as well, and let's grow both channels together, and let's see how big we can make this channel with nothing but my voice and Andy's creativity. See you on the next video.